Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable NSFC not safe for working content on Discord on iPhone and Android. Now if you also want to enable this feature, follow the steps and watch this video till the end. Now firstly open up the Discord app on your device and there tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. And now from the menu tap on privacy and safety option. Now scroll this page a bit down and there tap on this toggle to enable this allow access to age restricted commands from app in direct message feature. And once you turn it on, you have successfully enabled NSFC content on Discord. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to enable NSFC content on Discord on iPhone and Android. I hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now that's it for this video and I will see you in the next one.